I'm Imogen.
And I'm Georgia.
And we're going to teach you
how to in two. Have you ever left your sat nav plugged in or your lights turned on only to come back and realise that your battery's been drained, your car won't start?
Take out your junk leads. It's always a good idea to have a spare set in your car for emergencies.
What you're going to want to do first is park both cars with handbrake on and then pop the bonnets of both. So what you're going to want to do is connect one end of the red booster cable to the positive terminal of the donor car. What you're going to want to do next is connect the other end of the red booster cable to the positive terminal of the car with the flat battery.
Next, connect one end of the black booster cable to the negative terminal on the donor battery. Next, you're going to connect the other end of the black booster cable to an unpainted part of the metal chassis of the flat car. Next, you need to start the donor car and let it run for a few minutes. Now just let the car run for a few minutes before starting the flat battery car.
Now what you want to do is remove the cables in the reverse order from what you put them on in. So the first cable that you need to remove is the last cable you put on, which should be the negative cable from the car that previously had a flat battery. Like so, and then you remove it from the donor car. Next, you need to remove the positive cable from the donor car, like so, and then the positive clip from the car which previously had a flat battery. With a jump starter pack, like so, you don't even need to use someone else's car to start your battery.
Make sure the car is off and the jump starter pack are off first. Now you need to connect the positive clip to the positive terminal first. Next, you need to connect the negative clip to the metal chassis of the car away from the engine. Now you need to turn on the jump starter pack.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you learned something. Please subscribe to our channel. We'd really love it if you would. Mainly to see Geordie Jesus and his car reviews, every now and then to see us. More over at HonestJohn.co.uk.